Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Claude session when it is permanently stuck on the rate limit reached error screen using the easy method. This walkthrough will help you unfreeze your main application page so you can safely load your chat profile back onto your screen workspace canvas. Step 1. Perform a full account sign-out sequence. The first step is to break your current entry link completely by logging all the way out of your frozen profile account session. Move your mouse pointer down to the bottom left or top left corner of your screen workspace. Click once on your account profile name badge, look at the menu choices that appear, and click the row that says Sign Out or Log Out. Watch for the web page to refresh automatically, sliding you back onto the main empty welcome screen box. Because when a session gets stuck permanently, your account layout maps are caught in an endless loop with the server. Even if the actual time limit lock has run out in the background, your current browser connection keeps asking for the exact same frozen page state. Forcing a manual sign-out cuts that bad tie instantly. Step 2. Wipe away all saved cookies and site data. Next, you must use your Internet Browser Options panel to clear out old saved storage history files that are keeping the error screen stuck on your monitor view. Click the three small setting dots in the top right corner of your browser window, choose Settings, click on Privacy and Security, click the line that says Clear Browsing Data, check the small boxes next to Cookies and Cache Files, and click the Clear button. Confirm that the cleanup tool finishes its work before you close your browser management rows. Because your browser tries to save time by caching images and tracking files from your past visits, if the rate limit error screen gets stored deeply inside your local computer folders, your computer will keep showing you that exact same old error image every time you load the page, even if the system is ready to let you back in. Cleaning this storage area sweeps the floor completely clean. Step 3. Force a hard reload on the web gateway. Now you need to open a brand new browser window and trigger a special deep refresh command to pull a completely new copy of the page from the internet network. Open your internet browser program fresh, type Claude.ai into the long white address bar, press the Enter key, and then press the Control and F5 keys on your keyboard at the exact same time. Watch the screen go blank for a quick second before loading up a fresh active sign-in panel flat against your background view. Because standard page reloads only check the surface files, doing a hard reload forces your computer machine to ignore its saved files completely and download the cleanest version of the layout forms straight from the master servers over the live internet network. And that's it. To fix Claude session permanently stuck on the rate limit reached, you first click your profile name to completely sign out of your account on your screen. Then you go to your browser settings to wipe clean your cookies and cache data folders to remove old error images from your screen canvas rows. Next, you go back to the page and press Ctrl and F5 together to force a deep, hard reload of the website gateway. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.